Hi everyone. Would you like to see what I've been up to lately? I purchased a kit quite a while ago, and I want to share with you what it contained as well as what I put together from the kit. All right, so hold on for a moment. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. I purchased a beautiful kit from Annie's, and it came in this beautiful package here. Now, the kit that I purchased was for Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club. It is a wonderful idea that they came up with, and what they strive to do is provide inspiration for crafters who want some direction on charities who would be willing to receive their handmade items. They put together patterns that have been approved as well as materials that have been approved for those particular purposes. Now, this was the first kit that I received, and I've been part of their Carrying Crochet Club for quite some time. So this is a long overdue um, video. All right. But in any case, in this particular one, what it contained was a beautiful get started kit, and it contains a nice guide that helps you with your crochet stitches. It is complete with sharing with you the anatomy of stitches as well as how to get started. And it includes chains, single crochets, half double crochets, treble crochets, front and back loop crochet, as well as reverse single crochet, and front and back post single crochet. It also explains to you how to go about doing increases and decreasing. So I think they were complete with what they did in trying to give you a nice summary of the basics of crochet to get you started. In addition to that, on the back, they give you a nice guide for yarn weights, and that is also very, very helpful. This is a wonderful starter kit in that it includes some hooks as well as a yarn needle. Okay, so they give you a very nice sturdy steel yarn needle with a nice large eye at the end of it. And then you get 3 hooks. The 3 hooks that they gave us were a 4.25 millimeter, which is a G, a 5 millimeter, which is an H, and a 5.5 millimeter, which is an I. Okay, and so those are all very good sized hooks to get you started. Now, for this particular kit, this one contained materials to make chemo caps, and that was for Knots of Love. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Knots of Love was founded in 2007. And the whole idea behind this particular organization is they want to feel warm hearts and warm heads, and that they want to help out babies maybe who were born early and are in the neonatal intensive care unit, as well as help out people who are experiencing hair loss from chemotherapy. So they are just kind of just wonderful in that they are able to accept items for more than one purpose, and all of it is to just really help out those who are less fortunate and maybe going through a very stressful time in their lives. All right, so this particular pattern came for beautiful chemo caps. All right, and they give you more than one version of it. This is one version where you can take a beautiful scarf and kind of weave it through. All right, and this kit actually came complete with the beautiful scarf. So I think that is just awesome. All right, and it gave you 2 different types of yarn. So one, I have already made the beautiful hat, but this is the yarn that I have not used yet. All right, and it's a beautiful blue. It is so very soft. It feels to me like Simply Soft. And so I'm not sure because it says Annie, so this was packaged specifically for them, but it is 100% acrylic. It is 3.5 ounces or 195 yards, and it is a category for medium weight. All right. So just beautiful. They give you instructions on how to care for it. You wash it in a cool machine on gentle cycle, tumble dry low, gentle low heat. Do not bleach and do not use iron because it is acrylic fiber. Okay. All right. So now my beanie. All right. So here it is right here. And I love it. I love the way it came out. I think it is just a beautiful pattern. And I think that it'll fit just perfectly for someone who needs it. Now, while I did give mention that the purpose for the Caring Kid Club is to give to a specific charity, in it, they don't, it's not a requirement. So say you want the kit and you have a person in mind that could benefit from it, that is okay. You can go ahead and give it to that person for that purpose. And you just have something that you know will be useful because it's been approved by an organization that always gives to those purposes. All right. So if you have a loved one that's going through chemotherapy or experiencing some hair loss, then by all means, you can go ahead and give it to them. And if you don't, then you can go ahead, if you would like to, and give this to the charity that they recommend. Now, Knots of Love is located in Costa Mesa, California. They give the information on where they're located. And I actually took a look at their website. The reason I did that, for one, is because I just wanted to look and see what they had available. And they have wonderful patterns that are available, not just for crochet, but also knit patterns that are available too. And you can use those patterns free of charge and provide them to someone who is in need. They do ask that if you make them, that you do not sell the items that you have been made, because they put those particular patterns up for that specific charity. And I so appreciate that and do understand. All right. So so now I have this beautiful blue yarn, and I decided that I did not necessarily want to make another one of these hats with it. So I looked on their website and I found another pattern that I'm going to work on, and I will bring it back to you once I am done with it. So I'm really excited to work on it, and I will bring it to you guys when I have completed it. Now, in the meantime, I have an opportunity for you guys. If you have hung out in this video to this point, then I have an opportunity for you, and that is a giveaway. So, as part of caring and sharing, and this being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I thought that I would share with you guys, if you are interested in maybe making a hat to give to someone who is in need. And that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway. So on the Knots of Love website, they have a kit. They have a crochet kit and a knit kit for someone who would like to make a hat for someone. So I'm going to give an opportunity for the winner to receive either a knit kit or a crochet kit. And I'm going to purchase it myself and have it sent to you. Okay. And the purpose for that is, if you have someone in mind that you would like to make something for and give it, then you would have all the correct yarns and everything so that it would be for that purpose. All right. So now, in order to do this, we have to come up with a keyword. Let's say hair. All right. Okay. Use that word if you would like to be in the running to receive a beautiful kit from Knots of Love. All right. So now, how long are we going to do for this particular giveaway? I'm going to do this giveaway for 2 weeks. That'll give me time to work on the hat using this yarn. So let's do it for 2 weeks. All right. And then I will come back. I will share with you my finished hat, and I will also go ahead and do the drawing. Now, this is not a sponsored giveaway. I'm going to be purchasing the kit with my own funds. You have to follow all the YouTube guidelines, okay? And you have to be 18 years old older. This is void where prohibited. It needs to be US only, because I don't think I can have it shipped elsewhere. All right. And you will have to contact me in order to claim your prize. So if you do not contact me, then you will forfeit your gift. All right. Um, let's see. The keyword needs to be there. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, use the keyword. That way I know you will be in the running. I will either do a drawing of the names or I will do the random comment picker in order to choose the names, but it will be in a random fashion. Okay. All right. So, I think I've included everything that is needed. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Um, that would be great. So yes, let's consider those who are less fortunate, those who are going through a tough time, and let's all just try to do something that will be good. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for that portion. I am not going to go ahead and do a word puzzle today because I don't know when I am going to put this video out. But in any case, I will put across the screen when this will end. It'll end after 2 weeks from the date of this video published. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and I will draw. And if I have left out any rules, then I will put them in the description box. Okay. So yes, please go ahead and follow that. It is very, very important. In order to do these kind of giveaways, we really do need you guys to follow all of the rules for us. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for now. I want each and every one of you to do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. Share your gifts, be inspiring, and be inspired. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video or one of yours. Take care now. Bye-bye.